Welcome to my take on the world's easiest bread pudding. Making this specially for my friend Chatty, who's begged me for it. Okay, so here goes. What I'm doing is I've taken about 6 slices of bread with the sides cut off and ground in a mixer dry. Half a cup of sugar powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, 6 walnuts that she begged I put into this bread pudding, 1 egg, 2 cups of milk, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Go first with the egg. Goes in the butter, then the sugar and the milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, sprinkle of cinnamon. They all go this way. Now I'm dropping in the bread, adding in the walnuts, and I'll let this be for about 20 minutes till the bread soaks up all the milk. So it's now 20 minutes since we mixed everything together. I've let it be in the bowl here. All I'm going to do now is transfer it to a baking tin which is buttered and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Here it goes into an oven for 45 minutes at 160 degrees C. And it's now 40 minutes and I pulled the bread pudding off the oven and see how beautifully it's come out. I'm going to cut a piece of this bread pudding and offer it to my friend, and she better like it.